Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of an Amazon Choice product. This is the Korean Panax Ginseng. Has reputed benefits for energy, performance, and focus. And I really like this brand. It's got good marketing, good packaging, and overall it just seems to be some good stuff. They have a ton of different things. I'm going to have the Amazon link below to buy this, which is an Amazon Choice product, by the way, as well as NutraChamps full line of products. I like using ginseng. The reason I got this one is because it was very well reviewed. But I'm just going to read the packaging. I'm going to show you what's inside. And you guys can make a choice for yourself if this is something you want to add to your stack. I love ginseng. It's a natural way to increase your energy and focus. Apparently the 2 capsules in here, they're 1,000 milligrams. All natural from a certified GMP facility. Third-party tested, non-GMO, vegan, and made with love. Gotta like that. It also has 0 gluten, soy, eggs, dairy, fish, nuts, preservatives, or animal products. Basically all the stuff that is terrible for you. It doesn't have any of that. It's distributed by a Canadian company and made in the USA with some Korean roots. Gotta dig that. Best of all worlds. Korean ginseng has been prized in Asian herbal medicine for thousands of years, according to this bottle, for its wide-reaching health benefits. Grown in a region of Korea with a history of cultivating ginseng for over 500 years. Our mature hand-selected roots are preserved using natural techniques of repeated steaming and sun-drying to fully develop their potency. The result is one of the most effective ginseng products available today. Suggested use: take 2 capsules with food once daily or directed by your healthcare pro. Caution: nursing mothers, children under the age of 18, medical condition should consult a physician before using this or any dietary supplement. So take it at your own risk. But ginseng, from my experience, is pretty good. But I'm not speaking for this company. I'm just saying that this Amazon Choice. Also, your chance to get a free bottle, check that out, free.NutraChamps.com. But you first got to buy one of these and give them your order number. That's why the Amazon link is below to buy this amazing ginseng. And if you're not convinced yet, let's open the thing. Also, I took the plastic off, so it's not giving this complete justice, but hey, it's a half unboxing. What can you do? So it's got your standard cotton ball going on in here. Probably helps keep the air out, I would imagine. I'm just going to pour them out. Whoa, that is some cool looking ginseng. Let's get this cotton ball out of here. Whoa. And here's what the ginseng looks like. It's got some powder to it. I dig it. Dig it a lot. Whoa, what you got in here? Focus. Ginseng. Good stuff. Amazon link below. Check out NutraChamps today. I'm also going to have a total list of NutraChamps full line of products below. So we'll have a link to this individual Korean Panax Ginseng, which is an Amazon Choice product. And we'll also have a link to NutraChamps full line of products. Also, be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com for a ton of different workout gear and stuff like that to help you reach your fitness goals. Just go to the search bar, search whatever you need. Everything from weights to stretch bars, all sorts of stuff.